Hi everyone, a very good afternoon. You're watching the newsroom on ET Now. I'm Mubina Kapasi. The equity markets are in the green. Once again, we have the Nifty 50 trying to claw back to the 13,000, or rather it is at the 13,500 mark. But if you'll notice the intraday chart, just in these last couple of seconds, there's been quite a dip in the Nifty and the Sensex from those levels. But nevertheless, still gaining about 47 odd points. All the sectors, with the exception of, technology, but technology as well is absolutely flat. You're getting a contribution from all the sectors, especially PSUs. Let's talk a bit more about PSUs and the other big movers and shakers in our Market Fatafat segment. First up, take a look at Gail, ONGC, all of them are buzzing in trade. So amidst the PSU pack, you have these names, the crude-oriented names like Gail and ONGC that are rallying hard, perhaps having to do with the fact that crude prices have managed to claw back above the $50 per barrel mark. But that's not to say that the other PSUs are underperforming or anything. It's just that ONGC is back above 100 rupees, I think for the first time in a very long time. And this is something that's, I suppose, partly spurred on by the surge in crude prices as well. Let's also take a look at TVS Motors. There was big news coming in, yesterday, post-market hours, about a business rejig. They're going to synchronize the ownership structure. We had TVS Motors Venu Srinivasan saying that the family members will subscribe to the terms of the memorandum of family arrangement, but he insists that it's not going to affect management or functioning of the company in any way. But I want to flag off two stocks. One is TVS Motors, which is declining in trade. Look at a Sundaram Clayton, which is also, by the way, a part of the the TVS group family. That one is surging a good 7%. So I think that's an interesting one to watch out for. IRCTC International, a massive move being witnessed over here. This after the company yesterday said that they have won an order, an upgradation of the Gurgaon-Pataudi-Rewari section from the National Highway on hybrid annuity mode, valued at 900 crore rupees from the NHAI. So IRCTC is seeing a massive surge. And finally, also worth flagging off, this SpiceJet, after the company announced that they have entered into tie-ups with various logistic companies for the distribution of vaccines. The negative news, of course, for Spice and the other aviation companies would be the surge in crude prices, though at this point of time it seems that the effect of the same is only being witnessed in in a stock like an Interglobe Aviation. SpiceJet is rallying more than 3% in trade, so that's in focus.